The 5 Best DIY Countertop Refinishing Kits. The Encore Concrete Countertop Refinishing System is a low VOC product that uses a cement mix to create a stone-like finish that's both stain and scratch resistant. It's available in 5 different shades: concrete, river rock, espresso, slate, and onyx. Yep, you can give your old countertop a new stone surface using DAICH Spreadstone's Mineral Select Countertop Refinishing Kit. You can apply it to most types of surfaces including MDF, plywood, particle board, concrete, and tile. Even better, unlike some DIY resurfacing solutions, this one is heat, impact, and stain resistant. Another good to know, it's low VOC and epoxy free. These 2 countertops were also resurfaced using DAICH Spreadstone's Mineral Select Countertop Refinishing Kit. You can always give your old countertop a new look using paint. Gianni Granite produces the most highly reviewed painting kit online. No artistic skills are required. Each kit has everything you need to create a beautiful faux stone surface in one day. Rust-Oleum makes a resurfacing kit called Countertop Transformations. It produces a textured stone-like finish on laminate surfaces. What makes this kit different from the rest? Instead of using spreadable stone, cement, or paint, it uses decorative chips followed by an epoxy coating. The entire DIY process takes 2 days. There are several epoxy countertop resurfacing kits available that start at around $250 each. While they're all designed for DIY use, each kit we found is loaded with harmful VOCs, so we can't recommend them for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.